If you're a small business owner looking to boost your online visibility, you need to start listening to your customers more closely. Here's why. Small business owners, listen up. Utilizing customer feedback isn't just about improving products or services. It's a goldmine for enhancing your local SEO and driving more traffic to your site. First, reviews. Positive customer reviews are like SEO juice for search engines. They signal trust and relevance, making your business more likely to appear in local searches. So, encourage your satisfied customers to leave a glowing review online. Next, let's talk about keywords. The language your customers use in feedback can uncover valuable keywords that real people are using. Incorporate these terms into your website content, blogs, and even your meta descriptions to boost your SEO authentically. But how do you manage all this effectively? This is where Authority Solutions comes into play. Specializing in integrating customer insights into SEO strategies, they help make sure you're not just seen, but heard. So, take the leap. Use customer feedback to not only meet, but exceed customer expectations, and watch as your local SEO rankings soar. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell to get notified about more essential tips. Boost your business with us today.